Good morning, Thursday the 27th of October. It's 10:15 in the morning and I'm back down at Belfast Harbour Marina. Haven't been down here for quite some time. I don't think there's an awful lot of changeover in the boats and yachts. They're moored up. You can never know. There's the Titanic Exhibition Centre up there and the Nomadic just in front of it, and the Titanic Hotel, which is worth going into because they have an awful lot of rooms down the back of it. This was the drawing office for the Titanic, and they've got rooms, the telephone exchange, and Holland and Wolve. Their offices are still intact in there, so it's worth seeing. And there's a boat on its side. It's quite creative, that. It's like one of those, is it Airfix model kits? Not Airfix. Anyway. Temperature is a remarkable 15. And this is remarkable. We should be right down to about 10. 9. I'll just cast my eye. Most of these vessels I have videoed previously. The Bumblebee too. Most of the bigger ones anyway. Just cruising down Cruising Club. That's what I'm doing on my motorbike, just cruising. And had her down for MOT, and thankfully she passed, even though the back brake light had gone, it was broken. I didn't know about it, obviously going over one of the ramps or something recently. There's the Rocket. Lovely vessel. I think that's built up at Glenarm at, I can't remember the name of the guys. Do a good job, but tray is expensive. That's the SSE Arena. Don't know what's happening to it. It was closed for a long time there, except for the Belfast Giants operating out of it. And back end of it with the kids, what is it called, something 5, can't remember. Red Bay Storm Force 1450. We'll do one of these vessels. Have to come out of here, there's no exit. People are walking about in their t-shirts because it is very warm. He nearly went in his neck there. There has been rain, but see the ground is dead slippy. Dead slippy. Good morning. Most of these vessels have been in for some considerable time. Old trawler there, refurbished. There's a dog on it. That's being used for research and education. That's good. That's the seabird. Yeah, the roads are like glass because there's diesel and there's oil and there's all sorts of stuff that come out of vehicles, and there has been a good shower or two, but I mean lasting for hours. That's W5. I just couldn't remember the W. Oh dear, that's well worth going to see now. It is pricey for youngsters, all about science. And there's Belfast Harbour Police. They boasted. And that's another Red Bay boat. Red Bay, I think it's Cushion Dun. Or maybe it's Cushion Doll. Can't remember. But they are a success story. They really are a success story. And I've videoed both of these vessels here before. But they look strange, all tied up together. Fully refurbished. Must have cost a packet to do this. Looking good. Tall ships. Oh, Belfast is pretty grey and grim just today. And I'm going to head up home. That's the Phoenix from Portsmouth. And the cruise ship season is all but over unless we have a bit of passing trade, which is unlikely. And this is as far as I want to go. As ever, piles of traffic. And I'm far from the madding crowd down here. There you go. Belfast Harbour Marina. Little happening down here. Okay.